Upcut saw training at McIntosh box and pallet. The upcut is used for cutting longer boards of wood into shorter ones that will eventually be used to build pallets or crates for customers. This saw has a blade that rises through the material from below. It is powered by both hydraulics and electricity. Always read your saw's posted safety instructions, job safety analysis, and lockout-tagout steps, as they can vary between machines. At the minimum, you will need to wear hard-toed boots, hearing protection, and safety glasses, or side shields for your prescription glasses if you need them. Before operating the saw, understand where not to place your hands in the machine's danger zones. Make sure there is pressure in the hydraulic system and that the dust collection is turned on and operating correctly. Adjust the guard to the correct length and perform a test cut to make sure it's correct before proceeding. You are now ready to turn on the upcut and begin the job. Feed wood under the guard from whichever direction ergonomically makes sense to you. Place it flush with the guard you set earlier. Move your hands clear from the blade area and press both triggers to activate the cut. If one hand is removed from a trigger, the saw will deactivate and the blade will retract. If your scraps are short, don't reach under the safety guard to remove them. Use a push stick or push it away with the longer material. While working, it is important to make sure that your raw lumber, finished materials, and garbage disposal are all efficiently set up around you to avoid any extraneous labor over extended periods of time. If you have any questions, do not operate the upcut and consult with your supervisor.